What Caleb House does is we are a rescue, but more importantly, a restoration ministry for juvenile human trafficking. There are lots of people that talk about anti-human trafficking. There's far fewer that actually do it. And those that do, their predominant focus is on rescue, not on restoration. Meaning, how do we break this generational curse to put these kiddos back together again so that the victim doesn't become the victimizer, so that we can break this pattern of behavior and wrap around them mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, educationally, financially, to teach these kids to be awesome members of society, to be children of the Most High. And the most amazing thing with Caleb House that I've ever personally experienced was one time I was just talking to 3 teenagers that we had in our care. And they're sitting there looking at me. And I said, what do we have to do what you do? I'm like, I'm nobody. What do you mean do what I do? They said, what do we have? Military, law enforcement, I got to become a firefighter. What do we do to be able to do what you do? And I said, why? And one of them looks me dead in the eye. And he says, because I still have friends back there, and we need to go get them too.